Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. This is my first time making a video like this, and it is a things I've made for Christmas gifts this year. I do have 4 more days till Christmas, and I'm going to be whipping up a few more things that are already here. And hopefully I could get it done in time. I'm going to be going downstairs to sew as soon as I film this video. So hopefully I'm able to whip everything up. And yeah, I just got a sewing machine in the middle of last month. My dear friend Valerie, I love her to death, she gifted me a sewing machine, and I have become a sewing hobbit since then. And yeah, let's just jump right in. So to start with, my very first project I made were these baskets. I think they're very cute. So these 3 are for my children. My 2 boys, they're obsessed with dinosaurs. So I got them each a different dinosaur pattern because I didn't want to get the same one because I didn't want them to be like, that's mine, no, that's mine. So I got 2 different dinosaur patterns, and they got to pick which one they liked. So they got this. My daughter got this one. I'm going to give them this on Christmas Eve, and they're going to have like their book that they got, a hot chocolate thing, and their pajama pants. We all have matching pajamas this year that I thrifted, so those are going to go in here, and they're going to get it on Christmas Eve, and I'm very excited. Same thing with my daughter. I'm going to put her pajamas in here and a book for her. And then she's not going to get hot chocolate, but I'll probably put some other little goodie in there for her. So she has a smaller one. Her brothers have a bigger one. I feel like they're probably going to use this for, I just have a feeling Legos and Hot Wheels are going to end up in these, but who knows? So those are those. And then, like I said, the one for my daughter. And then I made one for my best friend's daughter. And she has a dress, a Ralph Lauren dress that I thrifted for her. So she has that. And then she also loves dinosaurs. So I made her a bow with the leftover fabric from the baskets. So I made her a cute little bow. So I just did that. And then I had one of these clip things that I just glued on there. And yeah, hopefully she loves it. But yeah, so I have those 2 things. Next up, I have book sleeves. So I have 2 more that I need to make. These come together so quickly. Honestly, measuring and cutting up the fabric takes longer than sewing it all up. It goes so fast. These are bigger ones, so you can fit a full hardcover book in here. Actually, let me get a book so I can show you. So this is the biggest book that I have, and it's Roto Bones. It's my book of the month hardcover, and it fits right in. So there's that. And then I also gave it a little pocket, so if they want to put like a pen, or I don't know what else you would put in there, but there is a little pocket on it too. So these 2 are bigger ones for hardcovers, and you could also make smaller ones too. I'll try to find the video the pattern that I followed, and I'll link it down below for you guys. Yeah, these are cute little book sleeves that I have. So next up for my sons are pillowcases. So they match their baskets. So they have their pillowcases. I made them bigger than they probably needed to be. And again, I'll link the tutorial that I followed for these, but they're very excited for these. They know I was making them. And they've been asking me every day, Mommy, when are we going to get our pillowcases? So the time has almost come for them to get them. So they're very excited for these guys. And I am going to sew up 2 more book sleeves, like I said, and a few more bows for my upstairs neighbors. And I'm also going to crochet this little cat toy. I was going to start it last night, but I didn't have a chance. It's going to take me no time at all to do it together. It's only like 18 rows, but it's like a little fish-shaped cat toy that I'm going to crochet up real quick. I was going to try to do like coasters or something for them too, and I'll see if I have time to do it. I did also get these amigurumis for each of my children, and I haven't had time to finish them because my main crochet project took me a lot longer than I thought. So I'm still going to give it to them and put it together. They're just obviously not going to get it on time for Christmas. I am almost done with the bird for my daughter though. I just have to do the tail and the other wing and then sew it all together and it'll be done. So she'll get her amigurumi on Christmas. I'll probably put it in her basket in here for her. But yeah, my boys have so many like stuffed animals and stuff that it's not the end of the world if they don't get it on Christmas, but they will still get it at some point. And then my biggest crochet project is this guy right here, and I'm very proud of it. I hope you can see it entirely in frame. And this is a sweater that I made for my husband. And I still have to block it so I can like stretch it out a little bit. I'm gonna do it when I finish this video. I just wanted to film it first. But yeah, I still have to block it, but this is my biggest and most attention to detail crochet project I've done. I made a baby blanket for my daughter, and then I crocheted her like a little baby dress, but that was nowhere near this. I'm very proud of it though, and yeah, like I said, I have to block it and then it'll be officially ready to go after that. Will I do it again? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. I think I'd rather sew a garment than crochet. I don't know if I have, I don't know how I had the patience for this, because usually I don't have patience. But yeah, it came together very nicely. I'm very proud of it. Like, look at that. It has fuzzies on it. But yes, I'm very proud of the way it came out. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm very proud of myself for this sweater. Honestly, it's my most, I don't know, the thing I'm the most proud of with all of these crafts that I made. And I am proud of myself for sewing so many things and being, one, a beginner sewer, and two, doing it in a little over a month. So I think I've done a pretty good job this year so far. I hope to have even more gifts handmade next year. I do have some sewing projects I want to create. Maybe I can share that in a video. And then I am slowly turning this one corner of our basement into like my sewing corner. So I'll do a video on that whenever it's done. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I don't know if I'll post again before then, but if not, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.